students. Today I am going to discuss internal combustion engine and gas turbine. Okay, so that is in short form it is known as ICE and GT. Okay, in this class we will discuss what are the syllabus, what are the chapters, and thereafter we will start chapter 1 also. Okay, so full form of this ICE and GT is internal combustion engine, internal combustion engine and gas turbine. Okay, so there are 6 chapters in internal combustion engine and 2 chapters from gas turbine, like rotary compressor and gas turbine is there, that is in section D. Okay, so this internal combustion engine having 8 chapters as per your syllabus. So in section A, chapter 1 is air cycle. Okay, air cycle. Number 2, carburation, fuel injection and ignition system. That is in section A. In section B, that is combustion stages in IC engine. Okay, so number 3 is combustion stages in IC engine. Okay, let me write the chapter's name, then we will discuss what are the syllabus inside each and every unit, that also we are going to discuss. Thereafter we will also discuss the prescribed book also. Okay, so number 4, that is lubrication and cooling. Okay, so that is in section B. Section C, chapter 5, that is engine testing and performance. Engine testing and performance. And number 6 is air pollution and its control. That is in section C. Now last section, that is section D, chapter 7, this is rotary compressors. Okay, and 8th chapter is gas turbine. As the name is itself is internal combustion engine and gas turbine, so internal combustion engine is having 6 chapters that I have written here. Section A, air cycle. Then number 2 chapter, carburation, fuel injection and fuel ignition systems. Number 3 chapter, section B, combustion stages in IC engine, lubrication and cooling. That is chapter 4. Section C, chapter 5 is engine testing and performance, air pollution and its control. And section D is having rotary compressors and gas turbine. Okay, now books. Okay, so that is IC engine by V. Ganeshan. Okay, there you will get all these 6 chapters, that is air cycle, carburation, fuel injection, ignition, combustion stages in IC engine, lubrication and cooling, engine testing and performance, air pollution and its control. But another book is also there, that is gas turbine by V. Ganeshan. Okay, so you have to buy 2 books. for this complete syllabus, or this is also a standard book. If you want to buy one single book, that is in ICE by internal combustion engine by R.K. Rajput. Okay, R.K. Rajput. Even another so many books are available in the market, but remember, if you buy this book, only this 6th chapter will be there. Rotary compression and gas turbine will not be there. For that, you have to buy this gas turbine by V. Ganesan only. Okay. Sadhu Singh, ICE by Sadhu Singh is also available in the market by Sadhu Singh. Okay. Sadhu Singh. Okay. So that way also you can buy, especially for MDU students. MDU, that is BL Singhal. That is TechMax actually. TechMax. Okay. That is directly ICE and GT. Everything will be available here because this book has been written especially for MDU. So this book is also equally important for MDU only. So MDU students can buy this book. This internal combustion engine and gas turbine by BL Singhal, that is TechMax publication. Okay, so let us sum up what we have seen in the syllabus. See here, air cycle. Section S, air cycle means there are so many cycles used for the engine, like diesel cycle, petrol cycle, okay, and either dual cycle, that we are going to use in air cycles. Second chapter is carburation, how the fuel is carburized, how the fuel is ignited, okay, and how the fuel is injected into the cylinder. That is, we are going to study in chapter 2. Number chapter 3, that is combustion stages in IC engine. How the combustion takes place, how the heat transfer from one corner to the another corner of the cylinder, and how the power transfers takes place in engine, that we are going to study in combustion stages in IC engine. Thereafter, lubrication and cooling. See, there are so many parts moving, okay, that is revolving around each other. So lubrication is required. If lubrication is not there, those machines tear and wear off and their life will be reduced. So that is lubrication, and cooling is of course required because engine temperature will be near about 2500 degrees, even 3000 degrees centigrade and above. So cooling is required. If cooling is not there, then engine will not work above that temperature and output will be reduced. So that is in lubrication and cooling. Section C, engine testing and performance. That numerical value there, design. Basically engine design, how much power required, what is the bore size, what is the length of cylinder, what are the types of efficiency, all those things we are going to discuss in engine testing and performance. Air pollution is also there, as the engine exhausts air pollutions, that is polluted air. So how this air pollution takes place and how to reduce it, how we are going to control it, that we are going to study in air pollution and its control. Section D is rotary compression, that is another out of this internal combustion engine. There also we are going to find out different things, and gas turbine, how the power is generated. Okay, book is ICE by V. Ganesan, GT also, ICE by R.K. Rajput, ICE by Sadhu Singh. You can buy any one of this book, but for MDU students, it is internal combustion engine and gas turbine. Publisher is TechMax and writer is BL Singhal. That is enough for MDU examination because all 8 unit syllabus you will get in one book, that is written by BL Singhal. Okay, thank you.